What's up, guys? We have a Buick enclave. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm, because the way this alarm works is somebody opens the door only, so that's the only way the alarm will fire off. So what they're doing is breaking the window and just jumping in without opening any of the doors. So by adding the shock sensor, it gives you that glass protection. So if any banging or they try to leave the car in full brakes or whatever, it's going to set off the alarm. Okay. Works on both sides. Any banging they do on both sides of the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side now. So yeah, whoever has these type of vehicles and you want to make sure nobody busts your window and jumps in and starts going through your glove box and all that stuff and stealing whatever they find inside the vehicle, give us a call. We're in Miami. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. I'm going to go ahead and bang in this glass here now. It's going to set off the alarm. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. So that's the remote start. We didn't do the remote start. We're just testing it out. So that's it. Our numbers again are 305-298-4814. We do have free mobile service. This is on this Buick. Thank you for watching this video.